Hi everyone. Today I like to share with you a postcard for my good friends and I wake up early morning because afternoon we go to celebrate her name's day. What I did, first I fold this box and just decorate with beautiful flowers, and inside I have postcard. She loves go to mountain to hiking. Then when she put on the table, she will see some lake and mountain, and also here in some hotel in Moutains, of course. And inside again that beautiful scenery. But when she is home, she like to knitting, read book, sometimes do embroidery. So that is card for my good friends. Here I write something like, take time to do, relax. So I am so happy because it's a really card. She remind her who she is. Thank you very much too. Share with me that and if you like it, just write me something on my channel and I will be very happy and inspired to do something more. Bye bye.